What's good, people? How's going on? How everybody doing out there? I guess we're using the weekend, and I guess we're preparing ourselves for the next training week. This is Boy Harlem, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video gonna be our weekly outlook for the coming week. I'm gonna be looking for potential direction, financial disclaimer. Everything I say or do is entirely based off my own experience and my own opinion. It can happen, it might not happen. The only thing we can manage to do is to just follow the price, let the price be, and to just stay disciplined and consistent. So when you look at the first pay that we currently are looking at, we're looking at the NAS, right? When you can simply tell that the NAS we're cleanly moving in higher highs and in higher lows, that indication of what price showing us that we are in a clean uptrend. So with price showing that we're in a clean uptrend, looking at what's currently happening on our current market price, you can simply tell that price did do what break this higher high, creating a new higher high. So all I'm looking for the coming week, it's to that I'm looking for stronger confirmations into what I need to do. Do I need to buy? Do I need to sell? Because you can clearly see that the overall structure of the market, we are sitting bullish. The sentiment is bullish. Our weekly is bullish, our daily is bullish, our 4 hours bullish, and our hourly is bullish. So all I can say is right now it's that we're having our higher high. All I'm looking for is for the what continuation to the upside with a higher low formation, anticipation of what new higher high. But if price has some sort of weakness from where we currently are, then let's look for signs of that bear bullish depletion and the bear momentum and anticipate a what possible reversal. So on the NAS, I can't just say much, but all I can say is price is clearly bullish. The weekly is bullish, the daily is bullish, the 4 hours bullish. All I can simply say is let's look for that higher low anticipation of a continuation to the upside. Looking at gold. Gold, I also won't say, I also won't say much because you can simply tell that gold had the support, which we broke above and we broke out again with this intraday lows. If you can simply see the prices created this intraday lows, creating this intraday lows, breaking below to end the week or closing below to end the week. What Sorry, all I can say is all I'm looking for in my trade outlook is that if this is really a lower low and a lower high, are we gonna break below in anticipation of a new lower low, or as price clearly giving me signs or showing me that we are sitting in a possible or creating that possible reversal to the upside with a head and shoulders formation, with price creating that right shoulder formation, right? But all I can simply say is right now in my trade outlook, it's that I'm looking to be bearish below lows and be bullish above. Like I say, we're having this lower low. Is this lower low really a lower low? If price fails to break below, or if price going to break below, is that indication that we broke the lower low, we're creating a new low, we anticipate a wider continuation to the upside. Also on gold, I won't say much, but all I can say is price is trading below lows. If price breaks below previous lows or current price lows, then let's look for continuation to the downside. But if price goes to break, then let's look for that reversal with the bear moment, with that bear depletion and bullish momentum, and that gonna be it. Looking at German 30, so even on German 30, all I can say is, people, you can simply tell the price once hit this low, right? Price once hit the zone that it created, right? And continued to the upside, coming back below that low and continuing to the downside, coming back again to the very same zone, creating that sort of what double top, creating that double top, right? Now, with price creating this double top and continuing to the upside, reacting from previous zones and moving what to the upside. All I can say is now, because price is trading above this double top that we had and we closed cleanly bullish, all I can say is, are we going to have this pullback and continue to the upside, or will price do what? Break below in anticipation of a reaction to our double top and look for that what continuation to the downside on German 30. But all I can say is on my trade outlook is that I'm looking to be bullish above intraday zones and be bearish, right? So like I say, as long as we're trading above zones, then I still continue bullish. But if we trade below, then I look for the reversal and be bearish. Looking at US 30. So US 30, I won't chop it up a little, I won't chop it up that much. But all I can say is on US 30, you can simply tell that above, price is trading above our support, right? And price is not trading far, and price is not trading far from our major resistance, right? So with that being said, all I can say is price is simply trading in the middle of my support and my resistance. All I can say is I'm waiting for confirmation, right? And to say, is price really going to break above, or will price fail to break, or will price break below, or will price fail to break, and there won't be it. That's it that I'm looking for. Looking at USD CAD. USD CAD, I also won't chop it up that much, but all I can simply say is price is also trading in the middle of my support and my resistance. With that being said, all I am looking for, or all I can simply say is I'm either looking for what? For price breaking out, or for price failing to break, or for price to break out, or for price to fail to break. And that won't be it, because now price is clearly trading in the middle of my support and my resistance, right, people? That gonna be it. I'm not looking to complicate my trading, and I'm not looking for anything further than what I can simply find. Are we gonna break above? Are we gonna fall to break? Are we gonna break below? Are we gonna fall to break? And that gonna be it, right? Looking at Tesla. So when I simply look at Tesla, people, you can simply tell that we did even share our what? We did even share our update, our weekly, our yearly review update, right? And I did say on the test lights that we're having this bear channel that we're currently trading on, and price is kind of like having that breakout. So obviously from price trading on our bullish channel, from price having that bear channel and price having a breakout, all I'm looking for now is that price once created this highs, right? You can simply see this zone, right? This highs, right? And price is kind of like rating of our highs. All I'm looking for now on my trade outlook, or all I can be looking for, is that are we gonna break out, or are we gonna fail to break, right? If price breaks out, then I simply continue bullish. But if price fails to break, then I look for that bearish, I look for that reversal and look to be bearish, right, people? They're gonna be it. Looking at Tesla, looking at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, I won't say much, because you can simply tell that price is clearly moving sideways. So obviously you guys know it, that if I have a sideways movement, I only do what? I only stretch it out, and that's it. But in this instance, I'm either looking for the bullish or bearish breakout, or I'm looking to trade what? My resistance and my support until I get what? That overall breakout, either to the upside or to the downside. And that will be it, people. Looking at Ethereum. So Ethereum, I also won't say much, but you guys know it, that Ethereum is trading above our what? It's trading above our resistance, right? It's trading above our resistance. So with price trading above resistance, I see a support, right? Above resistance, we have support. Below resistance, we're still holding our resistance. And you can simply see that prices once created this highs, right? So all I can say is right now on my trade outlook, it's that I'm looking to be bullish above resistance and be bearish below. Like price is trading above resistance. If it happens that price trades below, then I still see price trading to the downside. Or as long as price is trading above, then I still look for the reversal to the upside. Same thing with price creating this highs. Are we gonna break out of this highs to continue to the upside, or are we gonna fall to break with that potential double top, anticipation of a reversal to the downside? And that will be it, right? Looking at Litecoin. So Litecoin, I also won't chop it up a little, but also price is also trading above our what? Above our resistance. Okay, my bad, people, for not removing all this analysis and all these executions that I have. We're just testing some strategy in the community, and it's kind of like acting so good and working out so good. But all I can say is we're trading above our what? Above our support, above our resistance. And all I can say is on my trade outlook, it's that I'm looking to be bullish above highs and be bearish and fail to break. Like you guys know it, that we have this highs, this very same highs. Let me zoom it in. This highs, that price is kind of like reacting. This highs, that every time price creates that high, price reacts off of it. So all I can say is I'm looking for this breakout, or I'm looking for that fail to break, and that will be it. That will be it. But like you guys can know it, see that on my current price, I have this potential bullish flag, right? With this bullish flag, I have this bullish momentum, anticipation of a continuation to the upside, right? So all I can say is I'm looking for the coming week to either give me a break out of this highs, or for to break off this highs, and that will be it, right? Last but not least, we're having oil. So oil, people, if I can zoom it in, if I zoom in people, you can tell that we're having zones 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on and so forth, right? And all I can say is right now on my trade outlook, it's that I'm looking to be bullish above zone and be bearish at fall to break. Like you guys can see, we're not trading far from this zone. I'm looking for this fall to break. Well, I'm looking for what? A breakout, and that would be 8 people. I'm not looking to complicate my trading, and I'm also not looking to focus on so much things. I take what I can take, and I let go of things that I can not take charge of. And that's 8 people. Without further ado, people, you can simply see that the coming week will be simple. Are we breaking our highs, or are we failing to break? Are we breaking our lows, or are we failing to break? Are we gonna respect our support? Are we gonna violate it? Are we gonna respect our resistance? Or are we gonna violate it? Are we creating these patterns, and are we respecting these patterns? And that will be 8 people. You follow me? Not looking for much, not looking for less. Without further ado, this is your boy Harlem. That's all I got on this video. I'm out.